This is another thing that I'm adding to my arsenal. Boom! Adding to my belt, my Superman belt. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. Green Thumb Edition. Yes, it's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. and I, as always, you should know, I'm excited to be here with you all today, and largely because of what's in this box. I believe it's going to take my gardening abilities, capabilities, and harvests to another level, okay? So without further ado, we're going to get into this unboxing because I am so excited not only to unbox it, but to see it, and then to use it, and then grow with it. Pun intended. Woo. All right. So, clearly, I love Amazon. Clearly, Amazon, they may love me. There's probably other people who shop more than me on Amazon. But nonetheless, what I will do, if this is something that you want to do in your garden, at your home, I will put a link below so that you can get it. And I will say, please go ahead and do that because I am an affiliate with Amazon. And when you do purchase following the links, it does, you know, help a brother out and put some funds in my pockets so that we can continue this here journey with videos and with fun together. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. And the packaging is very nice. You gotta have your bubble wrap if there's any type of packaging that's, you know, more than a pound or two. So here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. Let's go ahead and put this to the side. All right, bubble wrap included. And let's go ahead and open it. It is nicely packaged with all the plastic. But it's always interesting, like, you know, it's like you're green, but you're using plastic. And I think plastic is damaging to the environment. So I don't know, I'm still like working out mentally how I feel about all this plastic being used, but at the end of the day we'll work it out. And it's not like you're damaging plastic. I will say this one is like something free, like EP something free. Like I'm still learning everything, so that's why I don't have like a true thought. But anyway, I don't want to get into all that. We have the trays, okay? We have the lids. We have everything that we need. So here we have the trays. There are 3 trays, perfect as it said there would. And I say that because I read some reviews and people did not get everything that they bought. So I'm thankful that I was one of the ones that did. I do have 3 tops. So what you get are your 3 trays that you put your containers in, which I will show you all that thingamabobber. Okay, let me just do one. You get your 3 trays, and then you get your cups that you put your seedlings in. And in the cups, they have holes in it. I know you can see it. So when the water comes in, the water drains out, goes into the pan. And what the pan doesn't have, which I will add, are drainage holes, because holes are necessary so that the water can continue to flow. Water doesn't build up in here and create root rot or any type of diseases or, you know, fungus gnats or anything like that within your plants. So I'm going to manually drill holes into the bottom so that I have it. Now, they don't have it because this tray itself is set up so that you can have like your little small, what's it called, peat moss little pellet situations. You can grow like microgreens in here. So it doesn't have the holes because of it, but I don't plan on growing microgreens or anything like that. I plan on using these trays to put in here so that my seeds can then become seedlings that I then put into the garden itself. So let me see how actually the trays sit in here, which they don't sit in here the best. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. So I'm trying to like situate it. Okay, it goes like this. Okay, so I can do 4 at a time. And yep, I can do 4 at a time. Beautiful. That is set up very nicely. And it sits up. It doesn't sit on the tray itself. It sits up higher than the tray so that when I drill the holes at the bottom, the water would just continue to flow. Which means I'm gonna have to build a rack for this. Okay. That's another idea, another video, another day. So you have that, right? And then not only do you have the trays, not only do you have the little holders for your seeds that will turn into seedlings that you could then plant, but you also have this little mechanism, little tool. Honestly, don't know what it's for. I guess it's to help you scoop out the seedlings out of this tray, but I feel like I can just squeeze the bottom and it should come out. All right, so then you have also with your dome, you put it on here, right? And it should then fit nicely on the tray itself, which it does. Thank you, Lord. And then you have these little disc situation that comes apart or comes with the whole apparatus, with the idea that you can put it here and you can control the humidity and the trays themselves. Now this is very, very cool. Being in Florida, where we know humidity is outrageous, so I'll be able to, you know, help control it. But then I was reading where when there is humidity, usually there's a lot of growth. So hey guys, I'm all about trying to like learn something new, expedite when possible the growing process without using any chemicals or anything like that. I want to try to stay as organic as possible, so I won't be using any like non-natural fertilizers or anything like that. But nonetheless, you get that, you get this little piece. I don't know what this little piece is for. I will say it is broken, so that's weird because I don't see the broken piece. So this little thing is interesting. And then you get your markers so that you know what you have put into the trays when you're growing and things like that, which is always cool, which I rarely ever use, but I should use each and every time. But hey, you know, I'm growing. Get it? Anyway, that was a terrible pun. But so now, hey, it's all about the fun. I now have some growing trays that I can do my seedlings. I'm gonna put them outside in the backyard so that they get the proper sun, they get the rain and things that they need, but also get the protection from this dome. I may or may not use the dome. I probably do 2 without the dome, 1 with the dome, so I can get a feel for which one works best. And just, you know, I'm trial and error. This is the first time I'm doing growing trays, so I'm trying to learn to see what it takes, what will happen depending on what you do and things like that. So make sure you are a part of the journey. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Don't keep up with the Joneses, pallets, and more, because honestly we do pallet videos and we do gardening videos and we have fun doing everything in between. But nonetheless, when you come here, you can expect just that, which is fun, excitement, and something new. Okay, I'm willing to try it. I'm willing to grow with you all. I'm willing to try things in the meantime, in between time. So this is another thing that I'm adding to my arsenal. Boom! Adding to my belt, my Superman belt. Wait, that was weird because Superman doesn't have guns. But nonetheless, I said what I said, and I'm not taking it back. So I hope you all are having a phenomenal day. Make sure you tune back in so that when I plant in these bad boys, you know it's going to be on Sunday because I do my gardening videos on Sunday. So you know on Sunday you can expect to see a video of me putting seeds in these trays so that they can become seedlings, and then be planted in the garden, and then we'll have a harvest, and then we'll have a cooking video showing you all from seed to table, okay? All at one home, the Jones family home. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit that bell notification. I love you all. I thank you, okay? So if you want this, link will be below. I did have one minor problem with mine. Other than that, everything looked good, and so I don't even know what that is, so I'm not even pressed. You know, I'm gonna do a review. One thing was broken, but other than that, everything was good. Everything was what I wanted, and everything is gonna be what I wanted to be, which is growth and prosperity, okay? All right, video viewer, I love you. I'll see you next time. All right, okay.